You know that feeling, right? You're trying to live healthier, so you start drinking more water. But somehow, you just end up feeling even thirstier. Then keep watching. There's a reason for that. When you drink a lot of plain water without replenishing lost minerals, your body can't absorb it properly. In fact, it might be flushing out the very electrolytes you need to stay hydrated. That's where Celtic sea salt comes in. Packed with over 80 trace minerals like magnesium and potassium, this natural salt helps your cells actually hold on to hydration, keeping your energy steady and your mind clear. But before I share my go-to hydration drink with you, let's talk about why adding Celtic sea salt to your daily water is such a game changer. Celtic sea salt isn't just any salt. It's loaded with essential minerals your body needs to function at its best. These minerals support electrolyte balance, muscle and nerve function, and help water actually reach your cells, where it matters most. If you've ever felt tired, dizzy, or still thirsty after drinking water, your body might be craving minerals, not just fluids. Just a pinch of Celtic sea salt can transform plain water into a natural electrolyte drink, helping you stay truly hydrated, energized, and focused throughout the day. It's a small daily habit with a big impact. So here's how I make my go-to summer hydration drink. Simple, refreshing, and full of benefits. Start by boiling 1 liter of water and pouring it into a heat-resistant glass carafe. While it's still hot, stir in about half a spoon of raw honey, adjust to taste, and let it fully dissolve. Once the water has cooled, add slices of 1 organic lemon and 1 organic lime, 1/4 tablespoon of Celtic sea salt, remember, no more than 1/2 teaspoon per day, and a sprig of fresh mint, or cucumber if you prefer. Let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to infuse. Even better, make it the night before for a stronger flavor. It's hydrating, mineral-rich, and perfect to sip throughout the day. That's it for today. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And if you have a topic you'd like me to cover, leave it in the comments.